And Savaki Namaskar. After formation of this council, present council, this is the first meeting that we are going to have all inspectors of schools. So first of all, I'd like to thank Principal Officer Education and also all the inspector of schools for arranging this review meeting. Actually, it was supposed to be held in the last month on 29th July, but due to some unavoidable circumstances, it was postponed, and today is 6th August. So we are going to have this review meeting. The very intention, the very purpose of having this meeting is to have a common understanding among all the inspector of schools and also the departments and all the stakeholders. We should have common understanding. As I said, that the objective or intention of the present council is to make the department society run education system. And I would like to share with all inspectors of schools by saying that there has been some kind of system for running the schools or running the education department. And we should bring a change. We should bring improvements in the system. And that system improvement should be visible, it should be tangible, it should be felt by the citizens. You know, out of 28 seats, 24 seats were occupied by the Pramuka political party. That means it is not the victory of a particular party. It is the victory of people's trust, people's expectation, people's belief that this particular party can make some radical changes, can bring some improvements in the system. And you, all the inspectors of schools are in the system. And until and unless you bring the changes, you improve the system, that improvement or radical changes cannot be made. And we are here to fulfill the aspirations of the people. We have to. People trusted us, people expected us, people believed that the inspectors of schools or principal officer, education department as a whole, that can bring some changes. And all the children at every corner in TTADC, they will get quality education. That is the expectation. Otherwise, if we cannot act as per the aspirations of the people, then it will be some kind of cheating the people, cheating the citizens. So let us not bluff, let us not disappoint the citizens. So let us try to achieve, let us fulfill the aspirations or expectations of the people. And here, one thing I clearly want to share with you, under the given circumstances, under the given situations, under the given systems. The system is not very pure, I should say, to the extent of expectation. Peoples are not having much faith in the system. There is a belief, there is a public opinion that system has become corrupt. So that is the public impression that prevailing, that system has become corrupted in the process of transfer, in the process of recruitment, in the process of promotion, etc., etc. People are having impression that the system itself has become corrupted. And in the first meeting of the inspectors of schools, I'd like to say that let us change the public opinion. Let us try to contribute to change the public image. That education department in PTADC is in a position to bring some improvements, some changes. As an example, like in 2023, 24 or 22, 23, there were students, there were 56,000 students. 55,000 students. Now the number of students has decreased like anything. It has gone down like anything. Now I was told that the number of total students is around 40 to 43,000. It has decreased by how much? 10, 12,000. That means, whereas the enrollment is supposed to increase and the enrollment is decreasing, that means publics are not having confidence upon the education system of ABC. They are withdrawing their votes, parents are withdrawing their children and admitting them in some private schools or missionary schools. And this is discredit of the education department in TTATC. So let us build up the public confidence that yes, we the teachers, we the inspectors of schools, we the PU education, we the EM education, we the TTATC administration, we can improve the education system. That is my appeal to all of you. I have seen here, there are a number of agendas, about 15, 16 agenda is there. So out of that agenda, this is all traditionally this kind of agenda are being discussed. Even I was told DMN collectors are reviewing the education system or quality of education being imparted in TTADC. Not only publics, even administration as a whole, they are not having much good impression upon ABC education system. And this is irony of our faith. That is why let us individually and collectively make a determination that let us improve the system. And in every month, in every quarterly, let us see how changes, how improvement we can make. So with this background,
ini oro जों all inspectors of schools under TTA DC Bonoti Kaisa review meeting Khwlaikha review meeting of their performance issues and solutions. The main objective who meeting is the main objective bo hangka je tabok jebabe education system cholai dongo bono chung improvement khainani hangka boroni je issues tongmani bono solution khainani main intention hangka to improve the education system in PTADC. Hangka chung amono tini meeting ni bisingtui khlai through discussion amono chung find out khlaika je issues tongo amono chung মোটামুটি থংনো जों resolve khlaika ini furniture ni infrastructure ni je issues tongmani bono जों eta concrete way te decision naka जों bono जों infrastructure जों furniture जों bono supply khlainai byabostha khlainai the quality of teaching no जों improve khlainai जों already all schools ni the medium of instruction tongmani bono English medium khai reka notification issue khlaika accordingly tabo English baino school of फोरोंजागै दङ quality education na जों ensure खायनायनि बागै যত inspector of schools হবাইছে একটা common understanding ओंखा borok na saka যে parent teacher meeting guardians meeting students gate local borok na tui meeting khlaiयै जाते khlai enrollment tabang khlaiयै जों ADC school बाररामानाय जात khlaiयै gate borni performance बारनानै बागै smart students जों सानामनाय smart teaching ni bisingtui जों smart students जों सानामनाय हामबाय ha amato oro direct মানে oro niyo Kokborok department ni conference call khumulungo ADC